Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news, reviews, and all things related to cars. If you're passionate about cars, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the all-new 2025 Toyota Crown, a vehicle that's quickly garnering attention with its sleek design, innovative features, and impressive performance. Whether you're considering making this car your next ride or just curious about what it has to offer, you're in the right spot. The 2025 Toyota Crown marks an exciting chapter in Toyota's lineup, blending luxury and performance in a way that's never been seen before from this automaker. It stands out not only for its refined and elevated design but also for its powerful engine options, advanced technology, and a range of features that make it a top contender in the premium sedan market. The Crown is Toyota's attempt to merge the comfort of a traditional sedan with the modern appeal of luxury vehicles. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers a variety of engine options, each designed to deliver exceptional performance without compromising on efficiency. The base model comes equipped with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, offering a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. For those looking for something a bit more exhilarating, the Crown is also available with a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine, offering robust horsepower that brings excitement to every drive. The hybrid engine, especially, is a highlight, offering smooth acceleration and an impressively quiet ride while providing excellent fuel economy. One of the most significant changes in the 2025 Toyota Crown is its sleek, modern design. The exterior features bold, sharp lines and a unique stance that makes it immediately recognizable. The long, flowing roofline gives the car a coupe-like appearance, while the large wheels and wide stance add to its athletic profile. The front end is characterized by a bold grille that connects seamlessly with sleek, narrow-LED headlights. It's a design that commands attention while maintaining a sense of sophistication. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive, with a stylish integrated rear spoiler and sleek taillights that make a statement whether you're coming or going. Inside, the 2025 Toyota Crown continues to impress with a cabin that's both luxurious and functional. The interior is spacious, with ample room for both front and rear passengers. Toyota has chosen high-quality materials throughout, from soft-touch surfaces to elegant finishes that elevate the overall feel of the cabin. The seats are plush and supportive, providing excellent comfort for long drives. For those who love technology, the Crown does not disappoint. The vehicle features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen, easy-to-use interface, and seamless smartphone connectivity, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a range of driver assistance features all come standard, making the driving experience not only enjoyable but also safe. Speaking of safety, the 2025 Toyota Crown comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is standard on all models, providing a comprehensive suite of active safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and more. These systems work in harmony to help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The Crown's performance in crash tests is expected to be top-notch, further reinforcing its commitment to safety. When it comes to driving performance, the 2025 Toyota Crown excels in a variety of ways. The hybrid model offers smooth, quiet acceleration, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing comfort. The turbocharged model, on the other hand, brings more power to the table, offering quicker acceleration and a more engaging driving experience. Both versions of the Crown feature an all-wheel drive system that ensures excellent traction and stability, particularly in challenging weather conditions. The vehicle's suspension system is tuned to provide a balanced ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections while still offering enough agility for a fun, dynamic driving experience. Fuel efficiency is another key highlight of the 2025 Toyota Crown. The hybrid engine offers an impressive combined fuel economy, making it one of the most efficient options in its class. The hybrid powertrain is designed to optimize fuel usage, providing a smooth transition between the electric motor and the gasoline engine, depending on driving conditions. For those opting for the turbocharged model, the Crown still manages to maintain competitive fuel economy despite the added power, making it a solid choice for those looking for performance and efficiency. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Crown positions itself in the premium sedan market. While it's priced higher than the average Toyota sedan, it's still relatively affordable when compared to other luxury sedans in its class. With its combination of premium features, advanced technology, and solid performance, it offers excellent value for those looking to step into the luxury car segment without breaking the bank. Whether you're interested in the hybrid or turbocharged version, the Crown offers a wide range of features and configurations, allowing you to tailor the vehicle to your needs. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Crown is a well-rounded vehicle that impresses on nearly every front. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, a performance-oriented sedan, or a luxury vehicle that combines both, the Crown is certainly worth considering. Its blend of advanced technology, luxurious design, and impressive performance makes it a standout option in the ever-competitive premium sedan market. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Toyota Crown. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the Roadrunner channel for more in-depth reviews, news, and updates on the latest cars and automotive trends. We have plenty of exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned.